Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to download Brave browser on your PC. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and don't forget to hit on that bell icon so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I'm going to go over to my Chrome browser and then I'm going to type in brave.com. So immediately the site is open. I'm going to hit on this download Brave button right here and download is going to kick off. So now that my download is done, I'm going to install Brave browser on my PC. So I'm going to hit on it to open and then I'm going to click on yes. And as you can see, Brave is installing on my PC. So you're going to wait a few minutes for it to finish installation. So this is Brave right here that's finished installing. Let me maximize it. Research proves that Brave is faster than Chrome browser and it has more privacy than any other browser you find out there on the internet. So I'm just going to see what's here. So I'm going to skip this store right here and then I'm going to search for google.com. So that's it right there. That's how to download Brave on your PC. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you and I'll see you on the next one.